Hi, I am Hugo Vera. I am from Ecuador. This picture you can see. Uh, this one is my person. This one is my lovely wife. This is my older daughter. She's 18 already. He's my son. He's 13 years old. And this is the little one, Camila. She is 10 years old. Um, I'm a second counselor of the bishop. My wife is a teacher um, on the young women's, and I'm so excited to start this new semester, this network and design. Um, well, the first question that I would like to respond is about which lesson from this course covers content you are most excited to learn about and why. Um, the most part that I think that I would like to learn is about how to configure routers, switch, or something like that, because I think that this is a good experience that we can learn in this course and we can apply sometimes in our professional uh, part of our life. Um, and the second one is about what are my professional ambitions. Um, my professional ambitions is to work on the system department about networking, uh, can grow as a professional in this field of the CIT. Um, Networking is a very nice experience to learn, nice part to apply in our professional life. Um, I think that um, the things that we can learn as a student in this course is not about just networking design and that's it. Uh, Maybe we can learn much about how to be a good person, how to learn principles of the gospel in this course. And this is the most beautiful part that I enjoy in each semester. Learn side by side with other students that have the same principle and faith that I have as a member of the LDS. So I hope to see you soon and learn to each one of you a little bit. Um, if I can help to any of you, I um, I will be available to help you if, if you need it. So see you soon, and I hope to see you later.